Hi guys, today we are learning how to make your own server tag on Discord. First, unlock your phone and open the Discord app. Make sure you're signed in to the account that owns or manages the server. Once the app opens, you're ready to create a custom server tag. Now look at the list of servers on the left side of the screen. Tap the server where you want to create a new tag or role. This will open your server's main page. Once you're inside the server, tap the server name at the top. A menu with different server options will appear. From here, you can access your server settings. Next, tap the Settings option from the menu. This section lets you manage everything related to your server. You'll find role management here as well. Now, scroll down until you reach the User Management section. Tap Roles to view all the existing server roles. Here, you can create a brand new role for your members. After that, tap Create Role to add a new role. In the role name field, enter the name you want to use as your server tag. Choose a name that clearly identifies the members you want to assign it to. Now, type the name of your custom tag and tap Create. Your new role will be created instantly and ready to customize. You can continue editing it in the next step if needed. Here, you can choose which permissions this role should have. If you don't want to change anything right now, simply skip this step or tap Next. You can always edit these permissions later. Finally, choose the members you want to assign this role to. After selecting them, tap Finish to save everything. Your custom server tag is now ready and assigned to the selected members. And that's how you can easily create your own server tag on Discord. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.